Be maybe a wali oba usika nko ni nsem se jefato amuase jefato pioto jefato brazia tefako yuti fako yo omowe no uye jimifo kesie bi abewu a useman bebre.
I said Bema almost basica and shall who ye because of Nejuma or ye.
Dedi kind oye jimifo me to sebe.
And they told me no one swan is some betting.
O sama be chinchi if say one ya de se so ko imani be wu no kwa sama do a ya je we kan krofo e wo hodada. When you die and your corpse is laid in state, they are waiting for you in the cemetery because you are not the first person coming to the cemetery, and there's a protocol you follow to the cemetery. Entina twi for this ye ni ye. When we kasa no, ye ni chere say ye wa esan bia ye twa to ho. So obi ewu ni e de dana ye nhye ne stress mfa nko baby se nani nye no odete ase a odi lens ne ma na okọ a ye besoma mo se mo beji lens no se nipa ni pe shoot se me de bia o hye me say yom shoe quality kama na me wu na me di shoe hye me na ase a me ba ba ye kokoko kroncha nye ba fa shoe kroncha mo be yi shoe no me ho tete me obi an hye shoe. So when you are dying and going to your grave and you have not been able to do what you are supposed to do as a husband over your wife, your ghost suffers. The reason is because there are people who give money, call chop money at home. Fees. Utility. Rent. They are paying rent, they are paying utility, they are giving their wife housekeeping money, but they don't give their wife self-keeping money. Listen carefully. If you have a baby mama and you don't give her money to take care of herself, you are not doing any mistake. I applaud you for your wife. Mene wo na me ma akola ni sika, me ma ubi. Say fato atade sha enye masede. It's not my responsibility. No way, it's not. It's not. But once you are a wife, so if you are married to a woman and you are giving the woman money and you are taking care of the woman, the children, and neglecting the woman in your life as a wife, it's the same like taking care of a baby mama. So if your husband is not being a husband to you, but providing for feeding, for shelter, and for the upkeep of the children, then you are a baby mama and not a wife. Look for a husband.
In that marriage.
Yes. Anytime you are using your own money to take care of yourself in marriage, you are not a wife. You are a baby mama. So look for a husband. Do you understand the illustration? If you are married today and you are calling yourself Mrs. Lutrot, and your Mrs. Lutrot is you self-made, you buy your fuel into your car. You buy your own car. Somebody will surprise you with a car. And you register the car in your name. And everything is about you. You are fighting for your money. Everything, you buy your own dress. You buy your own shoe. Even your menstruation pad, you buy it in marriage. It means that you are a baby mama. Look for a husband. Yes. You know why the whole Ghana is quiet? They are going to call them to come and listen. If you are listening to us not on Facebook, then go to Rainbow 87.5. If you can't get us on Facebook. Because this one, people say I hate women. So I know besides I say me mbumba. No, it's not true. Or baby I only kun. Ah, what's wrong with the ototua etwim. Enwin. Because a woman is useful. She is useful when she's married. Any woman who is not married is useless.
I don't agree.
Your agreement doesn't change the truth. When we say somebody is useful, it means they are using you to the fullest. When we say you are useless, it means they are using you less. So when you use a woman as a radio presenter, and she's the voice of the mid-morning, she has everything a woman has, and she doesn't have a husband who is controlling her. She's useless. We are benefiting from you as Togohima on radio. the female touch on radio, the female voice on radio. Everybody is excited when you come. Your looks, your boobs, your look, your mouth, your dressing, your hairstyle, everything about you, your hearing, your broken brooch, everything about you is appealing. So Kohima, at the end of the day, it makes us valuable to have you on radio. But until a man comes to make you a wife and still continue this thing, you are useless. So if a man is married to you, and those of you in Abrochi, in UK, you come and marry somebody's daughter from Ghana. Once the person lands, she goes to do living for you. Now watch it. Maybe I would tell me how Abrochi. I will use Sika na Udi. Yamin Chiauka.
UK for the say Omuchiao.
Mejamoso.
Nemom no a bread show no. And Okasa may be on me too profane. I
won't define profane. Profane be the day. Say name can't profane.
I must say have a good day.
Good day, dear Margie, but Joe don't come and tell pollute people. Do you know what is profane? What is profane? Breast in your profane, bat in your profane. Munjas and Shushanuno. Which your message? Your message, and best idea. Yeah, to Joe Joseph. Obia, I throw Joseph, I trust to be also a bibu. Baby, we are Joe. We are, say, throw Joseph.
Who say Joseph?
And as Obia, you trust
normal Joe.
Joe, near then.
I'll be a one to do what I throw Joe.
Jojo, Tricasa near woo, you would rather and your Jojo near from.
Frantic Jojo.
And Yanti never for Casa. Obi a friend Joe, be a Joe, be a short of Joseph. Now Joseph be also you'll be or soon die. And a baby be also soon die da. At a branch or your daffo.
When you know,
Jeffrey Joseph is a sleeper.
Joe, big as to you in London. We love you, dear.
So, once your wife is working and you are eating, listen to me, Sokoima. If your wife works and voluntarily she decides to support you, you are blessed. A man listening to me, once you are a husband, don't let your wife put you under a curse. Tio, bema utie me. Shana wu kuyere anfa wanko shen numie biasi ya wunim. Ese bema bebere wa numie asina so mwadwe so mu ato. Adentia, omu yire numa ya adede wansa di wanko shen numie ase. Efise ese siya oban ne kasa yetie. Efise oban die ni edi. Enye se oban pe no ye. Ba akọ ekame akọ ete se eye oban no be mane enhyeso. And never be a dunu, and I could see a COVID-19 now bay. Now, Obia nim said, Nankamia, me bibia, me watch me, and to see I may check if fear at dear your no amount, or he may see me. Oh, bow, dear moon pono, one fashion, I must go, Mamma can't say with them in common. Or bear me be or sure bear him beside the sour, dear now, Ben, they catch them the other bow, dear Nasi, and Jimmy for. Meant to say that a man will ask you. That in this marriage you are coming, what are you bringing on board?
What are you bringing on the table?
Anytime a man will ask you, it means that the man is not ready to marry a woman like you. Because every woman has something they are bringing on the table. And do you know what they bring? They are breasts. They are beauty. They are private parts. That is why you didn't marry a man. You married a woman because she has something you don't have. So you don't need a woman's employment. You don't need a woman's money. You don't need a woman's family wealth to make her a wife. So when a man says, I can't marry you because you are not gainfully employed, that man is a wrong material for a husband. So, Goima, are you aware that right now most girls don't want to get married anymore? They want to have babies with men and follow their lives. Because some say they don't need any man to have authority over them. A woman without a man's authority is useless in society. So hear me well. If you are working,
man's authority said that sorry, and now
you see the democracy is not experience in marriage. It's a political jargon. Marriage is not democratic. It's theocracy. Follow the order. So when your husband hears a noise outside and say, "Oh, he might die," oh, why they are wanting? Move fear. Ne kura wa kitchen one year friend. So don't marry a man who is afraid of reptiles. Hey, Mira. Enkulanada. Enkuraba. Enkurabi na mekechi wa Mira be show me. Akosia. Enkuradi amobo omo ana omo ko beda. Me say beda
na
akosua.
onu susuro onye ndey
Se me suro nti me say beda. Etutu esi be ma akosua beda mekuna ma. Na wukuna begina o se beda. Me nka se be hwe me. Ena kwekude na agina ho ye. Fa ade ne bone. Na be ma be nkura nie. Time ye beku ekura na wie na de ntoko abafie. Ade achi no afafo. Hey, me say be ma me ne netse. Ade amansa ho. Enu ade de me si me fie anyame nko a ho. Na ka beti ne mawu. Asemben na bema me ne ti wo fie ha me ka se me da ma wade bema no ekura nam kitchen me nyama no so onko ya ono so gina wo so ne nsa no me say ubenya edu be ma me de ko nkura ne wa. Do you know what you just did? You just advertised that your husband over you is useless and is not able to cover you. It's not everything that happens in your home that you go and seek for help and narrate what happens. But when men loses their power and call their wives mole, at that time they become a con. Mole. How do you call your wife ma? Anytime your husband begins to refer to you as ma, he's going to shirk his responsibility. Be a wife till you die. Don't be a baby. Oh, babe. Hey.
Oh, baby.
Hey.
But it's romantic.
Hey. What is romantic?
What
is romantic?
And do oil of frost say?
Megire mpodie. Nyame nshira no.
Of frost.
What me din?
Of frost say?
My grace.
Adam.
Mpodie o kan twi airtime.
Grace.
My grace. On frame me grace and medin.
We from medin.
On frame me my grace.
Say a medin.
There be
grace here.
There be the on frame me my grace.
Auntie Adam.
None him son my friend.
Adamo. Wo fia.
The frame me.
That grace.
The frame me. My grace.
That grace. Baby. Baby, Mrs. Luther, you know I love you. Please add that grace.
Your friend me, you baby. Your friend, your highness. The who friend of friend, your highness.
Your her royal.
No, royal and count.
Okay, her. It's name.
Hey, so go in back. Mila John. Swallow saliva.
Oliake, if I
talk gamake.
Highness.
Your Highness.
Your Highness.
Yes, so my wife is called Your Highness.
Your Highness, and you are called Papa Grace.
No, I'm called My Grace.
That Grace. Me man that Grace. Me too. I want to call you that Grace.
No, you can call me that Grace because I'm not your husband. No, I'm not your husband.
Hey, I didn't too medding. I didn't win yet.
No, but if my wife calls me Ma, so that is what I'm saying. Say, let's men show husbandship. And when you're showing husbandship, it reflects in everything. So, for example, as I'm wrapping up today for you to open the lines and come and share your ideas and views with me, a husband is the one that proves to everybody in public. You wrote that, Grace. Kofi Che. Hey, that Grace. Hashtag. What is that? So, Koima, you see, you've given the boys the right Massa Grace. What are you writing? What is Massa Grace? Auntie Grace. My wife will sue you and will invite you by the police very soon. So, as I'm saying, a husband shows the symbol of authority over the wife. Anything your wife eats, your money is inside. Anything your wife wears, your money is inside. I am telling you that whatever it is, never ever in your life relent your responsibility over your wife because you think that you are overshadowed by the responsibility of your children. So wife, who could you buy brochire? Now Juma man. And let me tell you one of the painful things that comes in the States and in Europe. Once the woman is brought and married to a brochi, she doesn't have document to have what we call an account for herself. So the account she has to work so that they can pay her officially or whatever it is goes through the man's account. And the man begins to massage the account that the wife is working for. A man who is eating a woman's money, not because your wife gave you, you are under a curse. The reason why most of us are not making women useful and making them useless is because we have deleted the opportunity that God gave to women to make us succeed. One of the best things that happened to creation is women. And one of the worst things that affected the creation of God is women. Women were the best and the worst that happened to creation. When Adam was in the Garden of Eden, he never went close to where the fruit was. But when Eve came to assist Adam, went close to where the fruit was and tasted the fruit because she wanted to be like God so she can control Adam. So any man who is not loving the husband, any man who is not loving the wife but respects the wife is insane and has a mental deficiency. Yambo ba ma o yire enyo bia ye bunu.
Are you serious?
Anytime me can no cross is serious.
No, because
I don't respect my wife.
Why don't you respect
because
her?
she was not brought in my life for respect. My wife was brought for love. I will love my wife, I don't respect her.
Definitely when you love someone you respect.
No, we respect women, but we don't respect wives. Women in your life, and we are discussing legitimacy, rightful living, not cohabitation.
Sometimes you can be so confusing.
I am confusing you because you have to be confused. I'm brainwashing you. Ghana, they say there are 3 problems in Ghana. The first one was Obinim. The second on the fiddle was Efia Schwarzenegger. And the third was me. By the grace of God, I have passed all of them. I am the first problem that I could do myself in Ghana. So when I say I'm confused, you understand. And before we open the lines, let's make this thing clear. That a husband is known by the things you do for your wife. So Kohima, listen, the fact that your husband is not in Accra, is in Weja, is in Yankpaladuri, is in what, doesn't mean he should shirk his responsibility. When a man marries you and he knows your workplace is in a firm place and it's difficult for you to come to Accra, he can't make excuses and say, I will be here in Accra. He should learn the protocol of traveling to you every 3 days in a firm place. If he dies by accident, to be a man or somebody a firm place. So when your husband travels down to a firm place and starts in Kwasasam, me say Kwasasam 10 years. And when your husband travels from Accra to you in a firm place and start his nonsense. When I say nonsense, do you know what it means? No sense. When he starts, I don't know what to do right now. When I was coming today, I was just thinking about how I'm traveling every week to come and see you and the children here. I'm getting tired of it. You have to appreciate what I'm doing as a husband. That is a man who has no sense. Oninyansa. Why? Because I married Sokohima in a firm place. Do you understand what I'm saying? With your work. And I love you what you're doing and where you're working. So I need to follow the order. If Sokohima wants to come to Accra, you are not supposed to come to Accra because it's my demand. Hello? If Sokohima wants to transfer herself from from Plains to Accra, it shouldn't happen because I'm demanding it and I'm complaining. I can't come to you anymore. I am tired of traveling. No. It should be by your personal choice that you want to come to Accra. Hello,
but as for the man, it should be a routine thing.
It is not by request. If your husband is in UK, is in Amsterdam, is in whatever, is in US, apart from coronavirus that they've closed the borders, he has no excuse not to come and visit you. What's his video call? My foot.
Maybe I'm not paper soon. Yes, solid.
Now I don't know what the man is solid. Now can't you be so abruchiri? India jaka. Because I have a stowaway husband.
All right, Daybreak Show, Mid-Morning Drive on Rainbow Radio 87.5 FM.
So, the last point.
Choosing a life partner.
Maybe I do. Baby lines. I said, no, make us
we have 1 minute, not maybe a line.
1 minute, and I say, Bema Wallo. Now it's your fun place, not your Accra. It is his responsibility to rent a place for you to live in. The fact that your husband is not in Ghana doesn't warrant him not to rent a place for you to live in.
In Ghana.
In Ghana. Because when your husband leaves Abrochi and come to visit you in Accra, that any man who comes to Accra and to Okwa Obedain, this is not marriage. This is a useless pauper who have gotten a cheap labor called wife. And I may before Cabrotin and say, may hide down my cry a bay a dang, hey, no, if your husband knows he's taking you to Abrochi and he's a consular in the embassy, so when him say in 2 months, when you be a bed to be so hide down my nyatron.
Nyatron, I don't say anything.
Oh, yes, you should. Oh, yeah, Obia Cotina Brochi, while Fala Man, you call interview a young man, a your fault. Now see a year bano. And I'm the my bro. One by Yamna Maya. Awarian Mawalo. Crate be a sam, the mamma de Abreu. Tete Hona Bibimba, no aconasophobia fana Vicenti, no aconu with Dobi Visabinti, and said Bema Jimmy Phobi the pressure to say, Brana became who abroaching, and so Pesa Ubanon by Edman one. Bema Tiabrochino friend on Kenyan Sassam. Or hima, me can't say, me papa say, I'll make come how. And ye be BNTO. And you me how you be Boami and Kawan, Nakam say, you never had $2 a boom. So you are bringing somebody's daughter from Ghana because you wanted to come and join you to make $4. God punish you. Listen.